In this video, you're going to learn how AI can help make your internal links even more effective through topical clusters. Link Whisper is a tool I created to be excellent at just one thing: internal links. However, last week we just released an AI-powered feature that takes Link Whisper to the next level. Using AI, Link Whisper can now build visual sitemaps of your topical clusters to help you build even smarter internal links. Let's take a look at this visual topical cluster for one of my websites. Now, this sitemap is 100% generated with AI. So this shows all the topical clusters that AI believes belong together. This is not based on internal links. This is purely based on contextual relevancy that AI believes makes this connection, that there should be these connections between these different articles. So if we just click on one of these, for example, how to make money from your website, the AI believes that all these other articles, these dots that you see, belong together. 12 examples of profitable blogs. How much money do bloggers make? 17 types of blogs that make money. These all seem really relevant. They're related to blogging, making money from your website. And so these should be in a topical cluster. But what makes Link Whisper really cool now is that you can show the articles that have existing links by checking this box. And I can see that, hey, I already have some of these links built out in this topical cluster, but I can quickly see that I'm missing some links. So if I then check this box to show unlinked articles, these blue lines are all the internal links that do not exist, right? So AI has built these articles into a topical cluster. It believes they belong together. These are the missing internal links to truly build out this topical cluster so Google can see that and help me establish authority. So if I go through here now and actually right-click on any of these articles, I can create an inbound link using Link Whisper. So not only does it show me the links that I'm missing, I can come in here, right-click on this line here, click Create Inbound Link, and that is going to take me over to this page where I can get this opportunity to quickly build a link to this how to make money from a website. And it suggests this link here, beginner-friendly ways to make money with your website. That looks like a very relevant contextual link. It found that anchor text in this article. All I have to do is click Add Links, and then that link is added. That line is there. It is done. Now, of course, you can also use Link Whisper to look at the existing inbound internal links. I've got this full report. I can scan through. I show that I have 49 inbound internal links to this article, and I can actually remove some of these if I want, or I can add more. I can alter the anchor text. I can also see the outbound internal links, right? So you can get all of that reporting in a more standard contextual format. But if you want to look at the visual maps that Link Whisper now offers using artificial intelligence, it's all here. Now, if I show you what a different website that I own looks like, you can see that the topical clusters are a little bit different. You can see there's some tightly formed topical clusters here, right? And I can click these to just kind of scan and look what this topical cluster looks like. But depending on your website, your topical cluster may look a little bit different. Now, in order to get set up with this functionality, you do need to get an API key with OpenAI. We have a full tutorial on how to set up your OpenAI key if you need that help. But once you get your API key, you just go to the settings and AI settings and input your secret key. So I've already input my OpenAI key here, but you would just have a text box, you paste in your OpenAI key, and then you have 3 options here. I would recommend just selecting all of this. This is going to give you the most data, but if you don't want the product detection information, which I'm going to show you that here in just a second, you can uncheck this box, and that won't take as much AI usage to run through your website. But once you've input your key, you just click the Begin Processing Data, and that's going to take a little bit of time. Maybe it's 30 minutes, maybe it's an hour, maybe it's a couple hours, depending on how large your website is. But once that's done, you can build out those visual sitemaps. Now, I can hear you asking, But what about costs? Well, I ran the AI process on nichepursuits.com, and it has about 3,500 blog posts on the site. It's a massive website. To run the entire AI model on the site, it cost me just $7.13. That's about 1/5 of a penny per article. So if your site has 100 articles, it will likely cost around 23 cents. And 200 articles would cost you roughly 46 cents. And this is a one-time cost to run through your entire site. Once the AI has gone through your site, it doesn't need to rerun it. The data is saved and you are set. The only ongoing API cost would be when you publish new content. It would be about 1/5 of a penny for each new article that you write. However, you can also turn off this automated batch processing setting in the AI settings right here so you don't have any automated ongoing costs. So if I toggle off this enable AI batch processing, there won't be any ongoing API costs when I publish new content. I can go through and I can run that at a later date when I want to do that, and then it would use the API at that point. Now, I also want to quickly show you the product AI detected sitemap. All right, check this out. If I come in and select AI detected product sitemap and display that, this is going to show all the products that are mentioned on my website, right? So I can do it a couple of different ways. I can come in here and I can just select, for example, let me stop this generation process. I can select the blue dot, which is an article, right? So this is talking about 14 best fishing affiliate programs. AI has detected within this article that I've mentioned products like Tackle Direct Reels, hooks, and tackle hoodies, Sportsman Guide tackle boxes, and all these other products. And then I can go in and decide, hey, these maybe don't have affiliate links. Do I want to go in and add an affiliate link? So this is a great way to see all of the AI detected products. And if I check this, it'll show all the unlinked. So these are not linked, all these blue lines, right? And so there might be a lot of opportunities here for me to add affiliate links because I'm not using any affiliate links when I'm mentioning these tackle boxes or other fishing gear on my website. And so again, you can come through and select to see which ones are linked, which ones are unlinked. And in this case, every single product I've mentioned is not linked. So Link Whisperer can now use AI to help you further your monetization, hopefully make more money from your website by noticing, hey, there's product mentions that have no links on them. If you already own Link Whisperer, just make sure you are updated to version 2.4.9 or higher, and you can start using AI to enhance your internal link building with visual topical clusters. If you don't have Link Whisperer yet, go ahead and get $25 off when you use discount code VIDEO at checkout. The special deal link is also in the description. Thanks again for watching.